In the lush savannahs of Africa, where the golden sun kissed the wide-open plains, lived two of the most unlikely friends. Tiny, a spirited baby elephant with a silver-gray wrinkled skin and oversized ears flapping like miniature sails. And Stretch, a graceful young giraffe with a neck reaching high into the leaves of the acacia trees. Tiny, though tiny only in name, was bold and adventurous. His playful trumpets resonated across the savannah as he chased butterflies or splashed through the mud. Stretch, on the other hand, with her long legs and even longer neck, was more reserved and observant, preferring the gentle rustle of leaves and the whisper of the wind high above the ground. Their paths first crossed in a peculiar way one sunny afternoon. Tiny, while amusing himself with a particularly muddy puddle, inadvertently sent a flurry of mud splattering onto Stretch, who was nibbling on high leaves nearby. Surprised but not annoyed, Stretch craned her long neck down to see the young offender. Instead of reproach, she laughed, her laughter a soft melody unlike any other. From then on, their friendship blossomed. They devised their own games, ones unheard of in the animal kingdom. Tiny would weave through the tall grass, collecting wildflowers with his trunk, while Stretch would reach high and gather the choicest leaves from treetops to garnish their floral arrangements. The forest echoed with their laughter, a blend of trumpeting joy and harmonious chuckling. Their friendship taught them much about acceptance and adaptability. Tiny learned patience as he waited for Stretch to slowly splay her legs to sip from the distant waterholes, and Stretch discovered joy in the spontaneity of Tiny's playful antics. They weren't just companions, they completed each other, turning every ordinary day into an extraordinary adventure. Seasons came and went. The savannah transformed from lush greens to ochres and browns, but the bond between Tiny and Stretch remained immutable. Their friendship proved that differences could blend harmoniously, creating a tale cherished by all the denizens of the savannah, one that was retold under the starlit skies, a testament to the beautiful symphony that is friendship.